Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are Group H, Product Design and Development. Our product is backpack. Our member, the first one is me, Fajar Adhani. Next is Firhan Husamad, and then Lathiful Abrar, and the last one is Vanessa Cheryln. This is our survey from user form. We can see on the slide. From the survey, we identified what is consumer need. We got result from the survey. Many respondents said they very need bag for their activity. Our respondent is student aged 19 until 22. Next is we identified what is consumer need, about what is their priority for buy bag. They say first is material, type, and price. And then we got result. What is type or model bag their need? They said their need model is backpack. Why backpack? Because backpack is simple, easy to bring, and measure of backpack is big, and the last one is comfortable. Next is we got result for what is material they need. They said they need material of backpack is canvas because canvas is more strong and more durable. Canvas is water resistant. Canvas is not easy to damage, and canvas easy to bring. And the last one is canvas is comfortable. And then we ask about measure of backpack. Many of respondents said is medium. Why medium? Because medium is not too big and not too small.
The next, in this chart, you can see that this is a result from the first bag. As much 64.5 respondent just bag price 100,000 rupiah up to 299,000. And then the rest respondent choose not up to 1 million. The next is the specification product. For the bike type, we choose is a backpack. For the material is canvas, and the for size is a medium, and the for price range is 100,000 up to 199,000. As well, we are adding to advantage for the bike. The next is a statement mission. The bag are used to carry items such as the books, stationery, laptops, clothes, and more. Lightweight bag when used, and the bag we can use as comfortable as possible. The next is a concept generation, and the concept generation, here we compare it with other bags from the survey result, and we get the selection selected is a canvas bag. And the next is a concept selection. We made in three concepts with the various criteria, where in the table we choose the best concept judging by rating, weight, and we get the conclusion.
Okay, next I will explain about concept testing. Concept testing is defined as a research method that involves asking customer questions about your concept and ideas for a product or service before actually launching it. In this way, you can measure customer acceptance and their willingness to buy and therefore make important decision before launch. The purpose of this concept test is to find out what target market suit the product. For this backpack, the target market is men or woman aged 50 to 35 years. Format survey conducted using Google Form. Next, verbal description. The product is a bag that can be used to carry everyday item such as books, stationery, laptop, clothes, and other in a practical way. The bag is carried on the back, making it easier for both hands to work. This bag use a cushion on the back has three partition. Use a zipper to open the back cover. There is a special passion for a drink, and the back strap can be adjusted as needed. Next, survey format. First qualification, product description, purchase intents, and comments. Next, I will explain about design for environment. Design for the environment is a design approach to reduce the overhead and environmental impact of a product, process, or service, where impact are considered throughout its life cycle. The method used is DCBA method. The DCBA method is sustainability housing in Indonesia was adapted to obtain a hierarchy in the level of application of sustainability aspect in product, which will be described in the hierarchy table and adapted to context of the education, environmental, and product. By dividing the four appeared classification. This is the less ideal condition because it's far from the ideal standard of applying the concept of sustainability according to the context of each variable. C. There have been efficiency effort in every aspect, but the consideration in responding to environmental issue is very low. B. The response to environmental issue has existed, but has not yet reached an ideal situation or condition in the application of the concept sustainability. A is the most ideal situation and condition for applying the concept of sustainability. The following is the content or parameter of the concept sustainability implemental friendly product.
Next is about analysis of the application concept sustainability for bag products. As we can see in this slide, there is table for eco-friendly product variable and its analysis. First, variable material. We use raw material from industrial partner. And then for the production process, we do as efficiency as we can. For the packaging, we use safe and eco-friendly material with simple packaging system. For the finished product, hopefully it can use for long term and the product variety is high. And then for the transportation and distribution, the raw material delivery system is carried out effectively to limit emission usage. For the end of production cycle, the ability for the product to recycle is low because we use canvas material. Not all canvas material can be recycled. Social damage. We provide employment opportunities so we can reduce unemployment. Also, there are efforts to maintain the safety and comfort of employees and consumer. Lastly, profit. This product is a commercial product, so we gain profit. Next, architecture design. Architecture design is a process of describing and defining how the product is formed and organized into the component that will form the product. As we can see in this slide, there is picture and also table that form the bag, such as carrying hand, shoulder belt, buckle, pocket, zipper, and logo. Next, design for manufacturing. DFM is a comprehensive approach to producing something and integrating the design process with material, manufacturing methods, process planning, assembly, testing, and quality consideration. As we can see in this slide, there is cost breakdown for this product. First, purchasing component cost. Next, material cost. Next, assembly cost and total production cost. For the price for each component, as we can see in this table, there is a price for each component and the total purchasing. Next, House of Quality. House of Quality is a tool that supports the KFD method using a matrix that relates consumer desire to design step and compares design step so the practitioner can concentrate on the most important and valuable characteristic. As we can see in this table, there is a list of needs and desire consumer. There is 7 of it. And also there is characteristic technique for the there is 7, and there is a relationship matrix for this table and this table. That's all from us. We're sorry if we make mistake. I'll end this presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.